Hi friends, thanks so much for clicking this video. My name is Massiel, just in case it's your first time on my channel. And today I will be doing a makeup collection video for you guys. A couple weeks ago I did my eyeshadow palette declutter video. And if you're interested in seeing that, I'll make sure to leave that in the description box for you all. But yeah, so today I will be filming my collection. I actually keep all my makeup on these drawers right here. I got it from Michael's for $30. I know a lot of people purchase the Alex 9 drawers. They also do have a dupe for. But yeah, this one was $30 and it literally holds all my makeup perfectly. I have it separated the way I want to, so I'll go more into that as I go through my drawers. So I'm going to start with the top of my drawers. Up here I have my Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I just got this for Christmas, so this is a new addition to the collection, but I love rubbing this stuff on myself at nighttime, anytime after I shower. It smells amazing. And then this is Alien by Thierry Mugler. I'm probably butchering that name, but it is my favorite perfume smell ever. So I keep that up there to spray myself. And then this, my mom got me this container when I first started getting into makeup. But you can literally purchase any pencil holder or organizer from Target or Walmart, because I'm pretty sure that's what this was originally. Or even TJ Maxx. But this is how I organize my brushes. So I have like all my big face brushes in the back. I have this giant powder brush in this one holder, and then all my eye like blending brushes, shading brushes in this other little container. This little lipstick lip gloss holder, it holds 24 products, and I got it from Amazon for like $13. I'll try and leave that down below for you guys, or anything I mentioned. But yeah, it's pretty convenient. I used to have this whole top row of ColourPop, but I had to throw away some of them because they like were getting kind of gross. So right now I have like some Lipland, liquid lipsticks, ColourPop, NYX butter glosses, and this company, I Have Horse, actually sent me these lipsticks. So in the first drawer I have my single shadows, and I'm just going to go straight into it. Bulk Glitters actually sent me a bunch of their glitter pigments, so beautiful colors. So I have that organized in this little container. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They come in like a pack of 6 or 3, so I have these all throughout my drawers to help me organize some stuff. But yeah, I found it best to fit all my glitter in there. I have some eye primer from Concrete Minerals, and then I have my e.l.f. glitter primer. I have 2 of them in there. And then this is just a glitter liquid eyeshadow from Amores. And then I do have a Z palette. I didn't want to put the Z palette with like my other palettes because they do just hold some single shadows. And let me see if you guys can see that. But these 5 are from ColourPop, and then the bottom 3 green shades are from Coastal Scents. And then I do have some Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. These were actually like one of my first makeup purchases. And then Concrete Minerals, their loose mineral powders right there. I ordered these 3 from Etsy. These are some loose pigments as well. So yeah, and then Juvia's Place, they had a special where like if you purchase something, they were going to send you some single shades. Second drawer is where you start seeing my palettes. I have 3 drawers dedicated to just palettes. I have all my Juvia's Place, and this one, Nubian, the Saharan palette, the Mini Magic palette, and then the Masquerade palette. And then I have 2 Morphe palettes. This is the 35O. I'll probably never get rid of this. It's just an OG. And then I have my Jaclyn Hill palette, one of the greatest gifts ever. My second eyeshadow palette drawer. This was originally supposed to be like a high-end drawer. I wanted like some Anastasia in there, but to this day I have not purchased any Anastasia Beverly Hills or anything like that. But Colored Rain did send me these palettes as a gift, so I just dedicated this drawer to that in the meantime. They sent me their Queen of Hearts palette, which is beautiful. I actually have a video dedicated to this palette. They sent me their Cheers to the Beauty, y'all see me struggling, Cheers to the Beauty palette, and these 4 mini palettes. So then my third eyeshadow drawer is dedicated to like drugstore and more affordable brands. So I have all my ColourPop in here. I have the Dream Street palette, their Kathleen Lights collaboration. I have their Yes Please palette, and then I have their Good Sport palette, which is just beautiful. And And then some more ColourPop. I have the Ooh La La, which was like, they made this on October 3rd, I think, or put it out on October 3rd. So it's like a Mean Girls all pink palette. So cute. And then I got their Mar palette, which has like blues and neutral shades. And then this one is the Double Entendre Perfect Everyday palette. And they're Give It To Me Straight. So this is from the brand Amoras. They actually sent me this palette. I'm planning on doing a video for it. Oh, okay. And this is what the inside looks like. I won this one in a giveaway, and this is from Bad Habit. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Mario palette that Anastasia did. And then I have two BH Cosmetics palette. I think BH Cosmetics is an amazing, affordable makeup brand. So I have their Carly Bible palette, the deluxe edition, and then my go-to when I need a rainbow look or Halloween look, my Take Me to Brazil palette. I actually want to get the new one, Take Me Back to Brazil, so those are my eyeshadow drawers. Into this drawer is all my lip products that were on the top of the drawers. So I have this little container again from the Dollar Tree, and I have like Lipland lip crayons, some lip gloss. This is actually from Forever 21, but it's so beautiful. Hard Candy sent me this. This is like a semi-matte lipstick. Some lip primer from ColourPop. And then I have my boxed lip products over here. So this I just got for Christmas, Fenty Beauty metallic lipsticks. So like they come with 3 in there. And then I have some ColourPop liquid lipsticks. So I have like 2 from the Sarahi collection, 1 from the Shayla collection, and then I have 2 of their regular ones, the What You Doin' Ultra Matte Lip, and then Limbo. It's like a brown color. And then going lower, I have my lashes in here. So the main lashes I ever wear come from AOA lashes from shopmissa.com. They're like $5 for 6, $1 for just a pair of lashes. So these are the Luella. You guys can see I go through them quick, so like this I need to throw out. And then my favorite pair of these, the Alexis. I don't know if you guys can see that. Amoras, the company actually sent me 2 pairs of lashes, so these are so cute. I love wispy styled lashes. And in the back of the store, I actually keep my go-to everyday eye and brow products. So like my Kiss Brow Quad, this is my go-to. You guys can see it's panned. Love it. This is my everyday mascara when I wear mascara. It's so worn off that like the words that used to be on it aren't even on it anymore. Essence Lash Princess. I have my eyelash curler, my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I mean, these are like my go-to. So it just kind of stays back here, and I pull it out when I need it. So then in this drawer, I have my bronzers, highlighters, and baking powder. I'm going to start with my baking powder. I have the Makeup Revolution banana powder, and then my go-to Coty Airspun baking powder. Just love this stuff. For highlights, I have, this used to be like, if you've been watching me since I started YouTube, this is all I use for highlight because I liked more of a natural look back in the day. So this is a Hard Candy Tiki Glow. I feel like they changed their formula a little bit, but either way, I love this stuff. I have e.l.f. In the color Moonlight. It's a little baking highlight. And then I'm not going to open this because it's shattered, but this is the Jaclyn Hill Becca highlight. I have 2 NYX bronzers. I don't even use one of these. One of them is deep tan, and I can't use that color. But medium, I use this in like every single tutorial. And then for highlight, I also have the Bretman and Morphe collaboration. I love this palette. My go-to colors in here are like these 2. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then this one right here. And getting even lower, we have just your everyday stuff. So like I have my foundations in here. I have some Maybelline Fit Me foundation, Milani Conceal and Perfect, and then the Tarte Amazonian and Clay foundation. In here I keep all my concealers. So I have like my dark circle concealer. It's like an orange corrector. I have some green for when I have those zits, you feel me? Concealer. The NYX Total Coverage concealer, and then the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, because this is supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. and what is that called? Setting spray. So I have the Wet n Wild Natural Finish. The Hard Candy actually sent me this one, long wear setting spray. And then this one's really good, but it has a weird nozzle. Milani Make It Dewy. And then I just got into using primers. I should have done that a long time ago, but this is the e.l.f. Mineral Infused Primer. So this drawer actually holds, if you guys saw my declutter, these are all the palettes I'm giving away. So many beautiful palettes, but I don't use them. So they're just kind of all laying in here. And then this drawer is this is the last drawer. And for Halloween time, I have my liquid latex in here. I have some 3D gel, modeling wax, which is cool to make like missing fingers and stuff, those type of effects. I have coagulated blood. I have a Takashi 69 grill. I have my these are like painting pots, but they're really good to create like bruises and just special effects. And I don't really want to open it because it's like oil based, but these are my face paint products. And then back there, a bunch of cotton balls, glue, scissors. This is just stuff I use when I do my special effects. And that's it for my makeup collection video, you guys. That's all my makeup. There's definitely some stuff I still want. Like I want to try the Fenty Beauty foundation. I want to have some Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes in there. But for now, I feel very content with my collection. No way, shape, or form was I trying to brag about what I have. I just wanted to share because I love watching eyeshadow palette collection videos, makeup collection videos, all that stuff. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything that I mentioned, feel free to comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. Anyways, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!